Hey there, it's Ashley with Ashley Bead Jewels, and today I'm going to unbox Dollar Bead Box subscription. This is my first box with them. So let's go ahead and open our box. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is the August 2024. So this is a beachfront inspired box. And then on the back here, it gives you the list of the strands and then the additional items that comes. So this is the Dollar Bead Bag, the check fire polish. You have 3mm and 4mm strands. Okay. So we have here's the 4s, of course, and the 3s are the smaller ones. This one I do believe is a rose gold. This one is the ocean green. This may be a vintage brown. Or beige. And then this one looks like the other crystal one. So this one looks like to be a champagne one, the champagne luster. This one looks like the aqua cyan luster. Oh, this might be a crystal copper. Here's another of the rose gold. This bag is not part of the monthly subscription. You can add this bag on, these strands on. And you can also try this for one time. I think there's a one-time purchase on there, but it's dollarbeadbag.com for this one, and then Dollar Bead Box for the monthly subscription. Oh wow, look how pretty these are. So this is an 8-piece, and this is the strands are 5 by 15mm, and it's a check glass large hoe Celtic block. It's very pretty. And this one is 6mm check glass pearls. And this looks like it comes in the coral luster. There's about 25 beads on this one. 3 by 5mm check glass gem cut rondelle. It's very, very pretty. Ooh, these are very pretty. These are pearls. The check glass pearl. These are the 3mm ones. Those are tinier. And then you have your next ones up that matches the smaller ones. Here's a spicy jasper oval. It's very, very pretty. These are the check glass pearls. There's 6 of them. Cream. They're 7 by 12mm. We'll get all of them out and lay those there. It's very pretty. Of course, these are the Peter keys. There's 2 of them. They're antique brass plated. Very pretty. Set these right here. They're different on each side. You got a smooth side and then you have a textured side. It's a faceted bicone. It's in ocean green. It's 16mm. Very pretty. Oh, this one's cute. This is a tabular square. It's in peach and it's about 15mm. Very cute. And the hoe runs diagonal in it. Very cute. These are check glass ovals. Very, very cute. Very cute. And these are the curved cubes in ocean green opal, and they're 8mm. Very pretty.